So our next set of PYQs, these are all Q questions on Q. So here GATE 2013 2 marks question. So let's say our question is this multi-Q. Apart from, this was written, apart from NQ and DQ, sorry, there is a new function, that is multi-Q. M equals to K while Q is not empty and M is greater than 0. Loop is DQ. Q will be DQ'd. DQ means Q is the elements are popped out, not popped, it is actually DQ'd, and then M is decremented. So worst case time complexity of sequence of, see here it is very important, n q operations on an initially empty queue. So for nqs, n operations are required. For n dqs, n operations are required. For multi queues, n operations are required. Okay. So more about time complexity we will do in algorithm course, but here this thing is like that, think it like that. For the time complexity means how many, how it's better to do the best case, the least time is the best way. So it will always take n operations are required. Apart from nq and dq, a multi-q is our new topic here. So n operations are required, so the worst case time complexity is n. So here see theta of n, order of n, and etc. we will do omega of n in time complexity. Okay, so now for this answer should be theta of n. So this is one question. Now next question is 2016 set 1 mark question. It was a big question, I haven't written it down, you please check that question. The thing is that array implementation of Q takes order of 1 time. Okay, so this is just remember this statement. This is important because the question was huge, I didn't write it, just go and check the question. So array implementation of Q always takes order of 1, means constant time. This order of 1 means constant time. So now next, let's erase this here. I may need this space for doing the next question. So now GATE 2017 set 1 mark questions. Insertion and deletion operation takes order of time. There was a big thing written everything, but I have taken it the important parts here. Insertion and deletion takes order of 1 time, in which, in these two. See next pointer, see this is our, let's say our next pointer of front node points to the rear. See this is our front node and this is our rear node. So next pointer of front node points to the rear pointer. See we have to go here to here, this will take order of n times, but here it is written order of 1, so this is false, this statement is false. So now next pointer of rear nodes, near rear pointer points to the front node. So this is possible. This is like a circular queue. So this is our rear node, this is our front node, this is pointing back to our front node. So this statement is basically true. Next pointer of rear node points to the front node, this will take order of 1 time, means constant time. See order of 1 time means constant time. So now coming here 2018 1 mark question. See here in place of front and rear node, here they have written, taken it as head and tail. So now NQ time, DQ time, but the question is bit twisted. We know NQ means queuing from the end and dequeuing means deleting from the front, but here it is something different. Okay, So NQ implemented inserting a new node at the head. DQ is implemented by deletion of a node from the tail. So deletion, this is actually opposite. They are asking the opposite. See, this is the end. Okay, this is like if you have remember the circuits and all. So this means going back to the ground. So like this only, nothing more. This was given in the question, so I have just taken it out. So NQ means implementing a new node at the head. So we have to insert a new node at our head. So head will be increased to here. So this will take only order of one time, constant time. Okay. So just head was pointing here with linked list operation. Head will be pointed to the node we want to insert. So this will take order of one time. DQ here on the other hand, so let's say the question was here head and there are n lists, n nodes. Okay, so for dequeuing we have to go till here. We have to like n equals to n plus 1, we like this, we have to go, we in linked list we have done already. So we have to go one by one till here. Then we have to add, see, implemented it is actually deletion, sorry, not added, it's a deletion till n minus 1. We have to go and delete this last DQ implemented by deletion of the node from tail. So this we have to delete. So we have to go till here and put a null in the next part of the node. So this will take order of n time. So this will take order of 1. Since it was pointing here, we just add a new point and head will be pointed to that particular node. And deleting, we have to go till the last, before the last, and we have to insert let's say the null pointed to the end, and this will be deleted. So it will take order of n time. So this is all about stack and queue questions I have found. So if you have any more queries, you can always reach me out here, or you can comment in comment box. So the next thing you should do is do other questions which I haven't done in queue. Stack and queue I have done. These two are very good data structure used also. And take test series. Okay, so take test series, topic wise test. Do start now. See, we are in April. Okay, almost at the end of April. You should start with topic wise test now. So here more than 9 months are left for your GATE 2022. So this is sufficient time to get a good rank. So just go in your own pace. So there are a lot of people asking about GATE strategies. See, I have seen lot of videos on YouTube. I'm a avid Quora reader, so I read a lot. So thing is that everyone has their own strategy. I'll try to make a video on that, but since I haven't done a video in some time, so I thought of in doing the queue first, then I will make videos on strategies also. But the thing I'm suggesting, just do the topics, then do the PYQs, then topic wise test. That is very, very important. Likewise, do all the other subjects. So if you are preparing different subjects, do the same thing only. So now we are left with trees and graphs. Data structure. In data structure we are left with this and hashing. So we will continue with this.